Hi, I'm Skinner from ITS. Check this out. This is the Stanley FatMax Cantilever Rolling Workshop, an all-in-one tool storage and transportation system. It opens up easily into 4-level workstation, which includes a standard top toolbox and lift-out tray for smaller tools, a well-designed middle tier with removable dividers for storing all your bits and bobs, and a giant bottom compartment which is ideal for bulky items such as paint cans or power tools. It has a retractable pull-along handle, heavy-duty road-tested wheels, and a unique locking mechanism. This sturdy tool chest is stable enough to use as a cutting bench, and the lid includes an integrated V-groove for when you're working with pipes or lengths of timber. The Stanley FatMax Cantilever Rolling Workshop is the ideal product for anyone needing to transport large amounts of equipment or materials to site, saving you time and effort on repeated trips to the van. It's available now at its.co.uk. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and to see new products here first, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.